Okay, so today I'm here at Indalo Transport and Storage here in Vera and with Paul Burt. Hi Paul, how you doing?
I'm very well, David. How are you?
So this is your workshop, this is where it all happens. You've got the trucks, the storage, everything here.
This is where the magic happens, yeah.
So how long have you been here, Paul? How long have you been in Spain?
I've actually been in Spain for 9 years now.
9 years.
And I loved every minute of it. Never worked so hard in all my life,
Yeah.
but it's a great way of life.
So this is where you can go from Spain to Europe, all over Europe, isn't it? You do transport for?
Initially it starts off with backwards and forwards to the UK. It then developed into a local removals business as well. Now we go all over Europe, all over wherever you can think of. We go. We've shipped to America, Australia, South Africa so far this year. So it's a growing operation.
Okay, so let's have a look around your workshop, shall we?
Let's go.
Indalo Transport and Storage. If you need to move anywhere around Europe, Paul's the man.